Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on repairing the MacBook A2681 motherboard. Today, we'll walk you through the essential steps needed to effectively diagnose and repair your device. Before we dive into the technical aspects, if you're unsure about performing these repairs, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you make informed decisions. First, let's gather the tools you'll need for this repair. 1. P5 pentalobe screwdriver for removing the screws on the bottom case. 2. T3 Torx screwdriver for accessing the internal components. 3. Phillips number 00 screwdriver for various screws on the motherboard. 4. Tweezers to handle small components easily. 5. Suction cup to help lift the screen gently. 6. Isopropyl alcohol and microfiber cloth for cleaning purposes. Start by placing your MacBook on a clean, flat surface. Using the P5 pentalobe screwdriver, remove the screws from the bottom case. Keep these screws organized, a magnetic mat can be very helpful. Once the bottom case is removed, we can see the internals of the MacBook. Carefully disconnect the battery using the T3 Torx screwdriver. It's crucial to disconnect the battery first to avoid any electrical shorts during the repair. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Next, let's examine the motherboard. Look for any visible signs of damage such as burnt components or corrosion. Use your tweezers to carefully remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Cleaning the motherboard is essential for ensuring optimal performance. After cleaning, you may need to check for faulty components. If you have a multimeter, test the relevant parts for continuity. If you find any issues, you can replace those components. If you're unsure which parts to replace, consider our service that provides a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Now, let's focus on reassembling the MacBook. Align the motherboard back into its place and secure it with the Phillips number 00 screws. Ensure that all connections are snug, as loose connections can lead to further issues. After securing the motherboard, reconnect the battery. This step is crucial, as a proper connection ensures the device powers on correctly. If you don't have the necessary tools, remember we provide professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always turn to us for assistance. Once everything is in place, replace the bottom case and screw it back in using the P5 pentalobe screwdriver. Take a moment to check that all screws are tightened appropriately, as loose screws can result in rattling or further internal damage. Finally, power on your MacBook to test if the repair was successful. If it powers on and operates correctly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your MacBook A2681. If not, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We can assist you with our no calls, no travel policy, making it easy to get your device back in working order. Thank you for following along with our guide. With the right tools and techniques, you can tackle this repair confidently and efficiently. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.